Hey everyone, how's it going? Wanted to make this quick video about why I cannot drive for Uber right now. So, I can actually just share with you my app right now because this is really frustrating. I'm deactivated as of right now. I'm trying to get back on so I can drive for Uber again, so I can make better videos on the channel. And obviously it's good extra side income, right? So, please thumbs up the video and also sign up please for Current down below. They're helping drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. No fees on overdraft. You get paid every time you fill up gas. Amazing. Current's like one of those new banks, new online banks. They're trying to do everything to get you and your mother to sign up. So check it out down below. But look at this, my friends. Unable to go online. Can you see that? Focus, mother effer. There you go. Focus. There we go. Unable to go online. Please contact support. And look at this offer I have. Complete 120 bucks. They're baiting me with this offer by only doing 5 rides. Bro, I can knock that out in an hour and make 150 bucks because that's a bonus. Bro, if you don't focus on this mother effing phone, I'm gonna flip a mother effer. I'm just kidding. Okay. Anyways, you guys can read that, right? There we go, there we go, there we go. So, so the reason I can't go back online is because I gotta get in a car inspection. And look at this, my friends. I went to a parking lot so you guys can't see where I live. But look at this, guys. I got into a car accident. Somebody crashed into me. So annoying. And my insurance deemed that I was not at fault. But guess what happened? The other car driver trying to do everything and say it was my fault. And it was already proved that it wasn't, but like they're not accepting damages, which is horrible. And they have a tiny little insurance company, so they're like trying to side with him, and I'm like, bro, come on. It's clearly his fault. He was driving, I was driving straight basically, and he was turning left, going the other way. That makes sense? He turns right in front of me, crashes into me, and then he was going so fast. He was trying to basically beat in front of me. Like I'm going, and he's, you know when you're like, oh, can I make it left? That's what happened. And he tried to swerve really fast out of nowhere, and I'm like, bro, he hits me, then crashes into a tree. The cops had to come out because he literally damaged city property, which was a tree. His car was completely totaled. My car, you know, I was able to slow down in time, and you know, my car's still, but I still drive my car. Anyways, it's such a pain because I gotta go through my insurance now, pay $500 deductible, don't get a car rental, and who knows how long this is gonna be in the shop. I gotta get this fixed, I got this light fixed, I got to get the hood fixed, I gotta get everything fixed before I can drive for Uber again. Anyways, guys, wanna make this quick update video. So annoying, but let me know what you think I should do. Oh, and get Buckle Rideshare Insurance, link below. They're helping drivers get really good quotes. They have car insurance policies for drivers. And I just noticed I have another little freaking dent right here. You know how many people crashed into me? Somebody crashed, this was a hit and run, by the way. Somebody hit me here and here. I was at a cafe and somebody hit me. Look, they crashed, sideswiped me. This was a hit and run. I got hit there once. I think I even got hit on this side too. People just crash into me and just don't even leave a note. Yeah, look, I got a freaking scratch right here too, guys. These are both hit and runs, this side and this side. These were 2 separate people. While my car was parked, I come back and find this, and I'm like, bro, are you serious? And then this one, somebody hit me and then didn't, like they hit me and they're not taking, like, look how bad that looks. Can you imagine pulling up, hi, I'm here for Uber. They're like, bro, what the heck? Your car's gonna break down. I have the worst luck. And then my other car has gotten hit twice as well. I have the worst luck with cars. So anyways, that's why I can't drive for Uber right now. Let me know what you think I should do. Should I try selling this? I don't think I could try selling it right now. I mean, somebody might not care about this. I could try to shove this back in so it looks decent. Maybe take a plunge, maybe take some glue sticks and try to pull it out, if you've seen those TikToks. And maybe try to buff that out myself and then sell it. I mean, maybe I could even do that. Do you guys think I could get this fixed on my own and still drive for Uber? I would obviously have to buy a new light. Those are cheap. And I could figure out on YouTube how to replace those. This, maybe I could be able to shove that back in. If any of you guys are car experts here, if Uber Jeep Arizona's watching this, shove that in there. And then could probably paint over that. Uber passengers won't care about that. This here, I don't think it looks too bad. I don't know. What do you guys think? Now I'm thinking maybe I could just fix this on my own, because it doesn't look too, I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're a mechanic, or please send this to a mechanic who might be able to help me, and let me know. Maybe I'll give a shout out or something if there's a mechanic out there who can help me do some simple repairs just to get me driving for Uber again. So, all right guys, thanks for watching. You guys are great. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.